Hi, this is Lisa Almedina-McQuade here, looking at yoga, a mindful form of physical activity for college students to self-regulate mood. Mental health issues can be an impediment to academic success for college students. The general problem is the increased number of college students entering college with diagnosed mental illness, resulting in challenges for the institution as well as the students. There's an increased need for awareness and counseling and programs designed to address these issues. Nearly half, 44% of undergraduate students report mental health issues having affected their academic performance. 11% report academic impairment, such as taking incomplete, leave of absence, or dropping out of school. Often negative coping mechanisms such as alcohol, tobacco, or drug use, oversleeping, loss of sleep, can take a toll on a college student's health and ability to attend to their coursework and enjoyment of the educational process. Their quality of life is affected in terms of their social, physical, cognitive, emotional, and spiritual well-being. The specific problem is that the various therapeutic options for treating mental illness, cognitive behavioral therapy, and/or pharmaceutical interventions can be cost prohibitive, have unwanted drug-induced side effects, and may not be adhered to. And these treatments have limitations that might be addressed by physical activity and mindfulness practices. Research has shown that these modalities are beneficial to mood regulation, and however, the studies fail to address the adherence of these holistic methods. Examining the relationships between mindfulness practices such as yoga and the adherence to self-regulatory practices could have a significant influence on the formalization of educational practices that can assist both higher education institutions as well as college students challenged with mental illness. It is this researcher's belief that yoga taught grounded in cognitive theory can encourage self-efficacy and self-determined behavior that will encourage quality of life. Yoga meets all of quality of life standards, social, physical, cognitive, emotional, and spiritual self. In so doing, yoga can enhance academic performance and provide tools that will assist with lifelong wellness.